Hey guys, good morning. 10:40 on the watch on the 14th of May 26. I woke up about 8:45ish. I did have a bit of a break in the sleep about 6, but I did sleep after that. I'm feeling okay. I'm not feeling sleepy or tired. That's a good thing, right? Sleep is a strategic agenda, right? It's fucking strategic because everything. What is strategic? What is strategic is, to me, I don't know, different people have different ideas of what's strategic. To me, what's strategic is foundational, right? Sleep is strategic. Everything, exercise is strategic. Diet is strategic, right? Everything else like depends on these things, right? So to me, what's foundational, on which everything else rests. Family is strategic. Yesterday I was talking to a friend and she asked me, we were having some chat about whatever, and I told her in terms of if I have to prioritize the priorities of my life, I said it'd be health first, because without health I'm useful to no one, right? So I gave my health my top priority. Then family is next, because family is foundational, right? Frankly, I wouldn't be able to do whatever I'm doing without the support of my family. My parents, my sister, my brother-in-law, they are holding me right now, they are holding me right now. So yeah, family's foundation. Third is work, because work life is meaningless. Work is what gives meaning to life. Work is what gives meaning to everything else, right? So work, which is comedy and writing for me right now. Although I'm trying to diversify, I need to figure out how to make money from other ways also. Work harder, build a team. I'm thinking about that. But yeah, for now it's comedy and writing. And then fourth is social life. Because social life only exists if work, family, and health exists. Because if health, family, and work doesn't exist, social life doesn't exist. It doesn't exist. It's just like you put it on the back burner because you don't have time for it, or you don't feel the need for it. You don't feel for it, right? So yeah, I think that's what's on my mind right now. There's a bunch of stuff I need to do. There's stuff that needs my attention, but I just wanted to record this quick video for the vlog. I'll be back later in the day. Thanks. You guys have a good day whenever you're watching this, at whatever time of the day you're watching this. I just want to put it out there, guys. I love Gary Vee. Gary Vee. His full name is Gary Vaynerchuk, and he's famous all over the world as Gary Vee. I love him, and I highly recommend you follow him. Just as a human being, just follow Gary Vee. Alright guys, I'm having dinner today. This is called stroganoff, chicken stroganoff, creamy chicken and rice and mojito. I had also had a drink at Matcha, and after that I've come here. So I'm having my dinner. Hey guys, I've come for the show. Just had my dinner, and there are about 11 tickets. So decent crowd for Thursday, for a weekday, and so I'll host the show most likely. Then also a spot at Comedy Theatre in the 10:30 show. Then I'll head there. The other things I need to do, which I'm making a list of, I think I need to take a 2-day break from the city, 2 to 3 day, because I'm anyways investing so much in so many things. I need some time off. Also, I need to invest in those 2 to 3 days and just concentrate my mind in terms of my strategy for the next 6 months or so. So I need some thinking time off the city and off everything. So I might just do that towards the end of the month or earlier. I might do it earlier also. But for now, I think I'm focusing on the show. The show's there. So I need to do the show and then head to Comedy Theatre. I was in Galleria for a while. I did a bunch of random errands today. Errands also, I was at home only, but invested in a bit of a sound device, which I think I'll get next about after 25th. Then bought some grocery, chia seeds and flax seeds, because there's a gastroenterologist doctor I follow, Dr. Sethi, and he's recommended those seeds. I've been having a lot of pumpkin seeds off late for the last 1 month. 1 kilo खा गया हूँ almost मैं पिछले 2 महीनों में. But I don't really have chia seeds and flax seeds, so I've ordered them today. So yeah, I'm gonna have that. I mean, health is a huge investment I'm making. Look, this is like one of the reasons I like Sanchit. I was talking to Sanchit about happiness is like it has to be a discipline, has to be a balance, right? There's no balance in discipline. Discipline is discipline, right? And the more discipline you have, the better results you might have, right? For example, in terms of fitness, there's no balance, right? I mean, you may find like joy, for example, is like if I find joy in a cold coffee, then that's joy for me, right? And I'm going to strike it with the workout. But the thing is, I find joy in being fit, like going around like this, being able to wear what I want to wear, right? I'm wearing something I wear to the gym these days because anyways, I have a tattoo on my shoulder, so it's paining. Otherwise, if I wear a t-shirt, so I'm going around sleeveless for this whole week since I got the tattoos. Even the day I got the tattoos, I was in the sleeveless. So yeah, discipline is discipline. There's no balance as far as discipline is concerned. The more disciplined we are, I think, at least from a fitness perspective, I've realized the more discipline I have, the better I can build my body. Because that's something which is a top priority, one of the top priorities, right? Okay, the top priority. Comedy is there. Comedy is like not taking a lot of my time because the video didn't work. So I need to figure that out, how to make it work. So that's become kind of a long-term thing. Long term is like 6, hopefully in a few months. But I don't think there's a balance as far as discipline is concerned. Discipline, the more we have, the better. Because we can't have perfect discipline anyway, right? So yeah. So I need to hit the 6-pack. So today I had I thought it was supposed to be a no carb day, but I had some like little rice in the lunch, and right now I had rice and chicken, which is stroganoff. So yeah, mostly, but there was protein, right? So there was protein in the beans, the rajma, and there was proteins in chicken. So there was protein in almost every meal. In the morning I had eggs without bread. So yeah, so overall I think it was not exactly a no carb day, but mostly it was, right? So yeah, so I think I'm going to head for the show now, and we'll chat in a bit. Maybe just the day review. If I have to do that talk to strangers thing, 3 questions to strangers. What makes you happy? What makes you sad? What is one message you have for the world? I mean, whatever 2-3 conversations I've had have led to brilliant results. One with Ketan, beautiful conversations, especially with Pravit, although he did not let me record that because we were in the green room. But beautiful conversation, right? So I think that those 3 are great questions, and no need to figure out a way, schedule everything to do that for more people and put it out on as reels, put it out as a part of the vlog. That's on agenda, but again, I've not been able to make that work so far. I'm also thinking of making a channel for kids, kid stories, kid poetry. Yeah, a lot of things I need to do so that all my eggs are not in the same basket, and not my eggs, I mean metaphorically. All eggs are not in the same basket, and so that I can depend on other stuff if one stuff is not working. When one stuff works, it takes off, then yeah, then it's all there, right? So fitness is one of those buckets. So hopefully I go under 60 by the end of this month. If I go, then the last 6 months since I started in December to now would be worth it, right? If that's even that because that's been an impossible goal to almost get a 6-pack. So even if I hit that goal, the last 6 months would be worth it. Comedy, obviously, I've tried to make work, and I'm working on it constantly. Then there's other stuff I'm trying to make work. But even if I hit one big goal, right, which is getting a 6-pack by the end, getting like going under 60 would be great. Then by June I can hit the 6-pack, or even July. It's okay. I'm not rushing it. But going under 60 by the end of this month will be great. Will be fucking phenomenal. Okay, thanks guys. Hey guys, the day review for 14th of May. It's about 11:30, so I think I'm gonna crash a little early tonight. than usual, which is my about. I go to bed about 1 now, so I think I'm gonna crash a little early tonight. The 10:30 show didn't happen, but the 9:30 happened. There were 4 people. One of the girls was a star audience. Like, in fact, there were 2 people initially, and she was one of them. I told her we might have to cancel the show. She's like, मैं बहुत दूर से सिर्फ show देखने आई हूँ. So I started in 2 people, and then 2 more people came, and she laughed. She really laughed. She did come for the show. So I'm glad we did the show, and she had a good time. You know, it's so important that people have a good time. That's what life is about. You know, imagine dying and thinking, alright guys, we've had a great time. So I'm happy about that. Overall, I'm feeling a little better than last night. I'm really missing the gym, if you ask me. I do miss the gym a lot, but I gotta take the break for the tattoos. So rest I did a bit of random pieces of work, planned a bit of stuff. I'm thinking about the 2-3 day holiday I need to take, which hopefully I'll take this month only, and then I need to plan the rest of the 6 months of the year. So that's the plan. That's the end of the day review today. Hope you have a good night. Alright, bye.